So the next area I like to talk about is marketing.
So let's talk about local social media marketing. For your next picture, you do your work. Let's say it's a balayage. You post it up on your social media. You post your picture, and in the comments, as you're writing your description, let's say it's beautiful blonde balayage. In the comments, you would then hashtag beautiful balayage, Asheville hairstylist, Asheville Salon. Somebody on the other side is looking for somebody doing balayage or somebody looking for Asheville hairstylist. They're gonna find you because you're using these hashtags.
Victor, I do have a question about the optimum usage of hashtags.
I don't think anybody really knows how many hashtags you can use and how many should be used. But here's my best advice. Don't repeat the same hashtags over and over and over every single time.
I think everybody should have their own personal hashtag. Mine is Lisalovesbalayage. So not only does all the work that I do go into that hashtag, all the work that people want me to see of theirs also goes in that hashtag. Before you post, something that I think is really important is caption. And if you're not good at caption, I always tell people to speak into your phone, because sometimes it's easier to speak your thoughts than write your thoughts, and it will say it for you, and then you can copy and paste that to your Instagram.
Makes sense.
One great way to create better engagement on your Instagram is maybe by answering a question at the end of your post, and that'll get people to interact with you as well. For me, social media is a blessing and a curse, because I feel like people are relying a little bit heavily on it to build an entire book, and that's really not the way to build. It's great to try something new for people if you want to specialize in something, but I'm going to agree with Victor, the good old-fashioned referral system, face-to-face contact is always going to be the best way to build a big, long clientele. So I know that one of the things that you mentioned that you might want for your career is maybe to be a brand ambassador or a platform artist. Over just the last few years, since social media became popular, these things are actually very new for not only us, but as well as the brands. So in previous years, the brand would find 1 or 2 or 3 people that work for the brand, and that would be their platform artist. Now they have what they call influencer, I guess is what you'd want to call it. And a lot of times they're using the influencer and they're putting those people on a stage, but that person's not necessarily a platform artist. They haven't been formally trained. They're just representing the company for that weekend. A brand ambassador is somebody that has partnered with the brand. Maybe they don't actually work for the brand, but they're just representing for that brand. So for example, if you were brand ambassador for brand A, you wouldn't technically know the ins and outs of the brand. You couldn't give a class for them. That would make you a brand educator.